Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from the party chat to the game chat on your Xbox Series X. So first let's hit the Xbox button, tab on over to Parties and Chats, and then start up a party. And I'm going to make this invite only real quick. Now to switch on over to the party chat from the party chat to the game chat, you can just go to this button right here. The button with the two little boxes on it says switch to game chat. And now I'm switched to game chat, and when you do that, it says switch to party chat. So you can do it right there with that option. Otherwise, we can scroll on down to options right here, and then just turn it on. So you'll definitely know that you're in the game chat if you have this turned on. So there's two different ways that you can easily do that right there. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.